Welcome to our series on Lennox HVAC error codes. Today we're focusing on understanding Lennox Error Code L9. Lennox Error Code L9 signals a compressor phase protection fault, indicating an electrical problem with your compressor. The compressor is the heart of your HVAC system, responsible for circulating refrigerant throughout the unit. When this error occurs, it can halt your system's cooling or heating operation completely. This error code is actually a safety feature designed to protect your compressor from damage caused by voltage imbalances, wiring issues, or internal failures. In upcoming sections, we'll dive deeper into what causes the L9 error and how to address it. The L9 error arises from unstable electrical power supplied to the compressor. In single-phase systems commonly found in homes, several electrical issues can trigger this protective fault. One common cause is voltage fluctuations. The system expects stable voltage around 240 volts, but if it drops below 187 volts or exceeds 253 volts, the phase protection activates to prevent damage. Reversed polarity occurs when the electrical connections are wired incorrectly, reversing the normal flow of current through the compressor. Open circuits happen when there's a break in the electrical path, such as loose wiring or a blown fuse, interrupting power to the compressor. Internal compressor issues, like a stuck run capacitor or faulty motor windings, can also cause the L9 error by creating electrical imbalances. Finally, in hybrid home energy systems that include solar panels, the L9 error can occur if phase synchronization fails between the grid power and solar inverter. Lennox units employ a phase monitor relay or circuit board sensor to detect power problems like voltage imbalances or phase loss. When detected, the system locks out and displays L9 on the control panel. This prevents compressor burnout, potentially saving you $1,000 to $3,000 in replacement costs, and aligns with electrical safety standards to avoid hazards. Diagnosing the L9 error involves systematic checks to identify the root cause of the compressor phase protection fault. First, examine the wiring for loose connections that could cause electrical imbalances. Next, check the contactor and capacitor for faults that might prevent proper power delivery to the compressor. Inspect the compressor motor itself for any internal issues that could trigger the protection mechanism. Consider environmental factors, such as power surges from storms or grid fluctuations that can cause phase imbalances. Use a multimeter to test voltages at the compressor terminals, specifically L1 and L2 for single-phase systems. Remember that the L9 error isn't always indicating a permanent fault. It could be the system's protective response to temporary external problems. Before calling a technician for an L9 error, try these simple fixes. First, power cycle the unit by turning it off, waiting a few minutes, and turning it back on. This can reset the system and clear temporary faults. Second, check for blown fuses or tripped breakers in the electrical panel dedicated to the HVAC system. A simple visual inspection or reset can fix electrical issues causing the error. Third, visually inspect the wiring for any looseness or damage. Ensure connections are secure and undamaged to prevent phase imbalances. These simple fixes can often resolve the L9 error without needing professional help, as demonstrated by users in online HVAC forums. If simple fixes don't work, it's time to call a certified Lennox technician. Persistent L9 errors could indicate internal compressor problems or complex electrical issues requiring specialized tools and knowledge. Ignoring the problem can lead to refrigerant leaks or further damage, increasing repair costs. In a residential case in Arizona, a 10-year-old Lennox XC25 unit triggered L9 during summer heat waves. The cause was corroded contactor terminals from dust storms. Technicians diagnosed by testing voltage at the compressor terminals, finding imbalances. The fix involved replacing the contactor for about $150, plus rewiring. After the repair, the system operated without issues, showing how environmental factors can lead to L9 errors. In a commercial example from a Texas office building, a Lennox XP25 rooftop unit displayed L9 after a utility outage. Diagnosis revealed unbalanced three-phase power from faulty transformers. Technicians coordinated with the utility company to balance the phases, costing $500 in parts. The building now uses Lennox's grid-responsive firmware to prevent future occurrences, demonstrating the link between infrastructure and L9 errors. A homeowner in Florida avoided a service call by using the Lennox app to diagnose L9. The app's diagnostic mode revealed a blown fuse in the circuit board. After replacing the fuse for under $50, the unit restarted normally. This highlights the value of user education and smart technology in troubleshooting L9 errors without professional help. HVAC diagnostics are evolving toward predictive maintenance, using AI algorithms and smart thermostats to flag potential L9 issues before they occur. This shift from reactive repairs to proactive alerts can save homeowners time and money by preventing compressor failures. Grid-responsive systems automatically adjust to prevent phase imbalances that cause L9 errors. These systems communicate with utility grids to balance power distribution, reducing the risk of voltage fluctuations that can damage compressors. Future HVAC systems may feature self-healing circuits that automatically detect and correct electrical faults, including phase issues, without human intervention. This technology could minimize L9 occurrences by maintaining optimal system performance. However, cybersecurity risks in connected systems are a growing concern. Hackers could potentially trigger false L9 errors or disrupt system operations, highlighting the need for robust security measures in smart HVAC technology. The overall outlook is positive, with L9 errors evolving from reactive problems requiring immediate fixes to proactive alerts that enhance system reliability and user experience in modern HVAC installations.